The Amish mastered their gardens without machinery, chemicals, or modern gadgets. These 50-time tested gardening hacks will revolutionize your backyard, and you'll wish you knew them sooner. Let's have a look. Place a copper penny in pots. The Amish have long valued simple, natural solutions for gardening challenges. One such method involves placing copper pennies in plant pots, a practice that has gained popularity beyond their communities. When you drop a clean penny into the soil before adding your plants, it acts as a natural defense system against unwanted fungi. The science behind this trick is fascinating. Copper ions slowly release into the soil, creating an environment where mold and mildew struggle to survive. It's like having a tiny guardian for your plant's root system, working 24/7 to keep things healthy. Many gardeners spend hundreds of dollars on commercial fungicides, but this 1-cent solution might be all you need. Just remember to clean your penny first. That green patina might look vintage chic, but it won't help your plants thrive. And if your pennies keep disappearing, you might want to have a chat with your cat about their newfound coin collecting hobby. Water plants with cooled boiled egg water. Next time you're boiling eggs for breakfast, don't dump that water down the drain. Instead, channel your inner resourceful farmer and save it for your plants. The Amish community's waste not philosophy perfectly aligns with this eco-friendly practice. Use leftover tea as fertilizer. Who knew your morning cup of Earl Grey could pull double duty? After enjoying your tea, those used leaves have another purpose waiting in your garden. Drawing inspiration from traditional farming practices, including those of the Amish, who believe in making the most of every resource, tea leaves can transform into powerful plant food. The secret lies in the tannins and various nutrients that remain in the used leaves. Simply scatter the cooled tea leaves around your plants or bury the entire tea bag near the roots. The leaves slowly decompose, releasing their goodness into the soil like a time-released vitamin pill. One interesting fact most gardeners don't know: green tea leaves contain up to 4 times more nitrogen than coffee grounds, making them especially valuable for leafy plants. Just remember to remove any staples from tea bags before adding them to your garden. Your plants prefer their tea without metal accessories. Enrich soil with coffee grounds. Most people toss their used coffee grounds in the trash, but gardening wisdom passed down through generations, including from Amish communities, suggests a better use. These grounds pack a powerful punch of nitrogen, making them perfect for enriching your garden soil. Scientists have found that coffee grounds contain about 2% nitrogen by volume, which might sound small, but it's exactly what your plants crave. Sprinkle them around the base of your plants or mix them into your compost pile. Just don't go overboard.